then get the check. I hate it when it's and it reach touching the fire. Cause your theories catch fire. Can't find no silver lining. I don't mean to judge, but when you read your speech, it's firing. Enough is enough. Every night it's like a kid. When your mind scream nothing, I go la la la. I'm turning up the fire when you speak. As if my heart can't stop it, I'll find a way to wrap it up.
Was the baddest geek around. He's been doing everything but make his parents proud. He tried his best to study hard, but still he got too drunk. Won lots of beer pong tournaments, but still he had to flunk. His ex-girlfriend got a girlfriend. His Barbie tried a female Ken, but when the white ball hits the red cup, he's the baddest fucker in the frat club. Then he does the pong dance. The pong dance. He does.
Trice, real name, no gimmicks. Dudes gonna be girls on the outside, on the outside, on the outside.
Just keep your eyes on me. I see your heart and I just shine and dance with me. This woman is my destiny.